What's up, gents? Welcome back to a brand new video with Tish Hanley. My name's Dominic, for those who don't know, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about some substitutes for caffeine with 3 coffee alternatives. Now, although there's not a direct cause and effect between coffee and acne, scientists have found that there's definitely a connection between the two. So whether you're cutting out coffee for other health reasons or looking to improve your skin, be sure to check out these other alternatives to get your energy in the morning. According to a 2006 study, caffeine in general has been linked to a stress hormone called cortisone, which, as we all know, stress in general causes acne breakouts. Now, because of this, a lot of people think that coffee in the morning is what's causing their breakouts. However, the milk and sugar that we put into our coffee are more likely the culprits. Now, because of this, a lot of people think their coffee in the morning is what's leading to the breakouts that follow. However, the sugar and milk that we put in our coffee are more likely the culprits. Advances in dermatology and allergology have found that a lower sugar intake leads to preventing breakouts. And not only that, the International Journal of Dermatology has also linked dairy to breakouts. So, if you put 2 and 2 together, that dairy and extra sugar that we add to the coffee in the morning for our energy is really what's leading to the pimples that follow. So if you're one of those people that really needs your cup of joe in the morning, maybe think about lowering the sugar and dairy intake that you put in your coffee, or be sure to check out one of these awesome alternatives we're about to talk about to replace your caffeine. So the first alternative that we have, which is one of my favorites, is black tea. If you're somebody that just can't function without your caffeine through the day, try a hot cup of black tea in the morning. I'm telling you, it has enough caffeine to last through the day, and it's not bitter, so you won't need to add sugar, milk, or anything extra in addition to it, which we all know is the real reason you're getting breakouts. Now, the second alternative we encourage you guys to try is called Yerba Mate. Yerba Mate has all the caffeine and energy that you need throughout the day, and it's all natural and organic. Plus, there's no milk, 0 sugar, and only 15 calories per can. In addition to that, picking one up on your way to work will not only save you time every morning, but you're definitely getting the healthier alternative and preventing future breakouts. Now, the third alternative we have for you guys is to drink a glass of lemon water every morning. Now, we know what you're thinking, it can't be that easy. However, 1 glass of hot water every morning with half a lemon squeezed into it will give you all the antioxidants you need throughout the day. Plus, it's a great source of vitamin C, so you're definitely getting your bang for your buck, and it also helps clean out your system. So if you start your day with this, not only will you have energy, all the antioxidants you need, but it's also good for your body. I mean, honestly, what could be more natural than water and lemon? Nothing. It's just 2 pure ingredients. This option is also probably the most affordable. All you need to do is just go buy a bag of lemons, keep them out for the week, use one every morning for your water. You can also use them for other things you'd like throughout the day, but it's the healthiest and the cheapest alternative for caffeine. Now, even if we are reducing our sugar intake and our dairy intake to prevent breakouts, we want to make sure you guys remember that the most important thing you can do is have a skincare routine set in place. I personally use the Level 1 skincare system from Tish Hanley. It comes with a face wash that I use twice a day, a scrub that I use to exfoliate my skin twice a week, and an AM and a PM moisturizer. The AM is great because it has SPF 20, and it makes sure my skin is moisturized throughout the entire day. So if you don't have a skincare routine yet, make sure you definitely check them out. You need high quality skincare products, you guys, that you're using on a daily basis. So with that, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other videos from Tish Hanley on skincare, you can click over here. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Tish Hanley and the products that they offer, you can go ahead and click over here. As always, it was great talking to you guys. We really hope you learned something today, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.